Here I am, the household hunter, stalking my prey. He sits there, as quietly as I can. One false move and I'm gone. The object here, to get past this ferocious animal. Look at him, check his eyes out, waiting to bite me, to take me alive. My mission here is to go and grab his little toy over there. Red bone, plastic toy. Got to get past the ferocious dog here. Open the door. Yeah. You're going to attack me, I reckon. Nah, he's just stretching. Whoops, look out. Gonna be eaten alive here. I'll tell you that. Here we go, here we go, here we go. He beat me to it. Yes, no he has.